Okay, so I got my piece of graphics plastic synthetic paper for alcohol inks. I've sketched a koi fish, gonna be fun, with pencil. And then I'm going to use my Surebonder mini high temp heat gun. I get the long glue sticks so you don't have to replace them as often. And I'm gonna go over all my pencil lines with this. You'll see me blow dry it on cool setting. I never use heat when I'm using alcohol inks because it will make your paper warp. And then I'll remove all the strings and everything from the hot glue gun and get all that cleaned up, and then I'll start on doing the colors and so forth. So enjoy watching. Okay, here it is. I love it. What do you think? So I hope you enjoyed watching this. Hope you learned something from it. I sealed it with the UV archival varnish gloss by Krylon, and I'll put another coat on it again one more time later, just to give it a nice really glossy finish, and then I'll frame it without glass so that you can see all the raised edges. So I think that will be really lovely. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I love you all. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.